You know the Bible say, I'm going to church on these birds. It said if any don't work, they shall not eat. So my birds go over here and they work and eat because they know that's what the Bible say. Because they go to church and go to work over here. Yeah, I got some holy birds. And matter of fact, I'm putting up a new baptism pool. That's right, that's gonna be the new baptism pool. New baptism pool right there. No more gathering at the river. You see the river? I got a whole new bath so they can be washed. They're gonna go down in bird seed now.